Okay.
Alright guys, so there's a Smokey jungle frog. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a Smokey jungle frog right under the house there. I'm going to try to catch it. They're really tough to catch, but I'm going to try to get it.
It's right where the light is spotted in the back.
Got it.
Scream.
Check this guy out.
This is a Smokey jungle frog.
Hey, Micah, go turn on the porch light.
Go turn on the porch light, Micah.
Are you kidding?
Pete ketchup?
I never.
Oh my goodness gracious.
Hold on.
No, the other light, baby.
Micah, so the front porch light, buddy.
Peaceful.
Oh, it's peeing.
Frog legs for dinner. Just kidding.
Alright guys, let's come over to the light, take a better look at it.
Wow.
Come on.
This is a Smokey jungle frog. And
Oh, wow.
you could, can you eat it?
Dude, turn off that light, Micah. Caleb.
Yeah.
This is, I don't think, no, you can't eat this. I'm sure you could.
Piece
This is a Smokey jungle
Judah.
frog. Super beautiful frog. All
It's-
kinds of cool colors. Look at it up close.
It's awesome.
1 second, Judah.
colors.
Oh, wow. Look at that. It's so neat.
Judah, stop it.
I've been trying to catch him for about 2 months now.
Look at the mouth. See how the mouth is all cool and like scrubbly?
Her
And look
movie
at
face,
the,
I can
oh,
get
that's a
Watch
squishy
out.
tummy.
You hold him a second.
Wow.
See that? See the eye?
There we go. That's better, Judah. Put it in his face so I can see
Here.
it. That's so cool.
This is Smokey jungle frog.
Smokey jungle frog. I see.
Uh-oh. He's gonna try to jump away. Look how big his legs are.
Jeez. It's a couple of inches.
Okay. All right.
Let's let it go.
All right. Let's get a picture with the boys. All of us together.